Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Conversation Podcast on Podcast English Channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex. Today, we will talk about daily life with 5 topics. 1, morning routine and evening routine. 2, talking about the weather. 3, at the supermarket. 4, ordering food at restaurant. And 5, shopping for clothes.
Okay, now let's start together.
Yes, we'll share step by step what we do in the morning and in the evening.
You can listen and also practice your English with us.
Okay, the first we talk about morning routine. Alex, let's start with the morning. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. How about you?
I wake up a little earlier, around 6 a.m.
Oh, nice. And what's the first thing you do after waking up?
The first thing I do is stretch and drink a glass of water. What about you?
For me, I check my phone for a few minutes, but then I go to the bathroom and wash my face.
Do you brush your teeth right away?
Yes, I brush my teeth and wash my face. It helps me feel fresh.
After that, do you eat breakfast or take a shower?
I usually take a quick shower first, then I make breakfast.
Wow! What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast, eggs, and sometimes fruit. I drink coffee too.
That sounds good. For me, I usually have oatmeal with bananas and I drink tea. And after breakfast, do you prepare for work?
Yes, I get dressed, prepare my bag, and sometimes read the news.
I also get dressed, check my schedule, and then leave for work around 8 a.m.
So your morning is wake up, brush teeth, shower, breakfast, get ready, and go to work.
Yes, that's right. And yours is almost the same. Now, let's talk about the evening. What time do you usually finish work?
I finish work around 6 p.m. How about you?
I usually finish around 5:30 p.m.
What do you do when you get home?
First, I change my clothes and wash my hands. Then I prepare dinner.
Do you cook every day?
Not every day. Sometimes I cook, sometimes I order food. What about you?
I often cook something simple, like rice and vegetables or pasta.
After dinner, do you watch TV or read?
I usually watch TV for about 1 hour. Then I sometimes read a book or listen to music.
That's nice. I usually go for a short walk after dinner. Then I watch something on YouTube.
Do you do anything before bed?
Yes, before bed, I take a shower, brush my teeth, and do some skincare. Then I write a little in my journal.
That's a nice habit. For me, I brush my teeth, prepare my clothes for the next day, and relax in bed with my phone.
What time do you usually go to sleep?
Around 11 p.m. And you?
I try to sleep earlier, around 10:30 p.m. So today, we talked about our morning routine and evening routine.
Yes, you can practice by talking about your routine in English too.
Try saying, I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast, step by step.
And for evening, I have dinner, I watch TV, I go to bed.
Practice every day and you will improve your English.
Okay, now we are going to talk about the weather. Are you okay?
Yes, let's start talking about the weather.
Yes, weather is a great way to start a conversation. People talk about it every day, too.
So, today we will learn how to ask about the weather, how to answer, and how to practice.
And remember, don't just listen, repeat after us. Alex, how's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm today.
Listeners, try this. Say, it's sunny.
Good. Now, another question. What's the weather like today?
The answer is, it's cloudy. Repeat with us. It's cloudy. Yesterday, it was rainy. I needed an umbrella.
Say it with me. It was rainy. Practice time. How's the weather? It's sunny. What's the weather like today? It's windy.
Let's practice weather words. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy, stormy, hot, cold.
Listeners, repeat after me. Say each slowly, pause after each.
Now, short dialogues. What's the weather like?
It's rainy. Don't forget your umbrella. Is it hot today?
No, it's cool and windy. Do you like snowy weather?
Yes, I love snow.
Let's move to seasons. Summer, hot, sunny. Winter, cold, snowy. Spring, warm, flowers bloom. Autumn, cool, leaves change color.
Repeat after me. In summer, it's hot. In winter, it's cold.
Dialogue practice. What's your favorite season?
I like autumn. The weather is cool and the leaves are beautiful.
Okay, now talk about weather and daily life. Weather changes our plans.
For example, if it's raining, I stay home.
If it's sunny, I go outside.
If it's hot, I drink cold water.
If it's snowy, I wear a coat and boots.
Practice repetition. If it's raining, I stay home.
If it's sunny, I go outside. Weather is different in every country.
In Cambodia, it's often hot and rainy.
In Canada, winters are very cold.
In England, it rains a lot.
In Australia, summers are very hot.
Practice question and answer.
What's the weather like in your country?
It's hot and sunny.
Try again with different answers. Rainy, cloudy, cold. Let's review. How can we ask about the weather?
Say, how's the weather? Or, what's the weather like today?
And answers?
It's sunny. Or, it's cloudy. Or, it's raining.
Let's practice 3 times. Repeat after us. 1. How's the weather? It's sunny. 2. What's the weather like today? It's cold. 3. How's the weather today? It's rainy.
Great job, everyone. Now you can talk about the weather in English.
Remember, practice every day. Ask your friends about the weather.
And don't forget, listening and repeating makes your English better.
Thank you for joining us at Easy English Podcast about the weather.
Now we talk about our activity at supermarket.
Yes, that's good.
Me too. Almost everyone goes to the supermarket. It's a great topic for daily English.
Alex, do you like going to the supermarket?
Yes, I do. I usually go once a week. What about you?
I go 2 or 3 times a week. Sometimes I forget something, so I go again.
That's funny. Do you make a shopping list?
Yes, I always make a list. If I don't, I buy too many snacks.
Okay, let's imagine we are in the supermarket. First, where do we go?
I usually go to the fruit and vegetable section. I buy apples, bananas, carrots, and tomatoes.
I also like to buy fruits. My favorite is watermelon.
Oh, that's delicious. After fruit, I go to the dairy section. I buy milk, yogurt, and cheese.
Do you buy bread too?
Yes, I always buy bread. I like brown bread.
I like white bread, and sometimes I buy cookies.
Alex, do you ever ask for help in the supermarket?
Yes, sometimes. For example, I say, "Excuse me, where can I find the rice?"
That's good. Or we can say, can you help me find the sugar?
Yes, and the workers are usually very friendly.
After shopping, we go to the checkout counter.
Yes, the cashier says, "Hello, do you need a bag?"
And we can answer, yes, please, or no, thank you, I have my own bag.
Then we pay with cash or a card.
And don't forget to say, thank you, have a nice day.
When I get home, I put the food in the fridge.
Me too. And sometimes I cook right away.
That's smart. What do you usually cook after shopping?
If I buy vegetables, I make salad. If I buy chicken, I cook soup.
Sounds delicious.
So today we talked about our activity in the supermarket.
Yes, and we practiced some easy English sentences you can use when you go shopping.
Remember, the supermarket is a great place to practice English.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
Let's talk about ordering food at a restaurant.
Yes, Emily, I'm excited. I love food and I love restaurants.
Me too. Okay, let's imagine you and I go to a restaurant. You are the customer and I am the waiter. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Good evening. Welcome to Sunny Cafe. How many people?
Good evening. Just one person, please.
Okay, please follow me. Here is your table. Here is the menu.
Thank you.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I would like a glass of water, please.
Sure. Still water or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Great. I'll bring it right away. Are you ready to order?
Yes, what do you recommend?
Our special today is grilled chicken with rice. It is very delicious.
Okay, I'll have the grilled chicken with rice.
Would you like soup or salad with that?
I'll have salad, please.
Great choice. Anything else?
Yes, I would like a small bowl of French fries.
Of course. Here's your food. Grilled chicken with rice, salad, and French fries. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. How is the food?
It's delicious. I like it very much.
I'm glad to hear that.
Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Yes, of course. Here is your bill. That will be $12.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
That was a simple conversation about ordering food at a restaurant.
Yes, and we learned many useful phrases like, can I have the menu, please? I would like. Can I have the bill, please?
Exactly. Listeners, you can practice with a friend. Try being the customer and then try being the waiter.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
Alex, do you like shopping?
Yes, I like. Today, we are going shopping.
Not real shopping, but we will talk about shopping for clothes.
Yes, we will practice easy English conversation about clothes, sizes, colors, and prices.
Hey, Alex, do you like shopping for clothes?
Sometimes, yes, but not too often. What about you?
I love shopping for clothes. It's fun to look at new styles. Let's imagine we are in a clothing store.
Okay. I see a nice jacket. Excuse me, how much is this jacket?
It's $40. Do you want to try it on?
Yes, please. Do you have this jacket in a larger size?
Yes, we have small, medium, and large. What size are you?
I usually wear a medium, but this jacket feels small.
Then you should try the large size.
Do you have this jacket in blue?
Yes, we have black, blue, and gray.
I like the blue one. It looks good.
Blue is a nice color. It matches your jeans.
Okay, I want to buy this blue jacket. How much is it again?
It's $40.
Great, I'll take it. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept cash and credit cards.
Perfect. Here is my card.
Thank you. Here's your receipt and your jacket. Alex, what kind of clothes do you usually buy?
I usually buy casual clothes, like t-shirts and jeans.
Me too. But sometimes I like to buy dresses for special events.
Do you shop online or in the store?
I often shop online. It's easy, but sometimes the size is wrong.
Yes, that's true. In the store, you can try the clothes first.
Let's teach our listeners some useful sentences for shopping.
Good idea. Here are some examples. 1. How much is this? 2. Do you have this in another size? 3. Do you have this in another color? 4. Can I try this on? 5. I'll take it.
Very good. Try to practice these sentences when you go shopping.
Shopping for clothes can be fun, and now you can do it in English.
Yes. Next time you go shopping, try to use English words for colors, sizes, and prices.
Remember, practice step by step. You don't need to say everything at once.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
That's all for today's podcast. Thank you so much for joining us today on Podcast English Channel.
Please subscribe and share with your friends.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.